Maybe I'm gonna press it. I'm super curious. Let's see what happens.
Oh no! Meteor shower! Ah! What should I do? I should hide somewhere.
Welcome to Ryan's world! Guys, let me show you how magnets work. Whoa, see? I can hold this up.
Hello there, Ryan.
Robo-Combo? What are you doing here?
I have brought you my newest and greatest invention, the Don't Press the Emergency Button.
Don't press the emergency button. Why is it named that?
Well, why don't you press it and find out?
Okay, but why do I not need to press it? Robo-Combo! So Robo-Combo said to not press it. So do I press it or not? Because it says it's an emergency. So what do I do? Maybe I'm gonna press it. I'm super curious. Let's see what happens. Nothing's happening. But it did become really hot. Did it turn the AC down? Oh no! I knew it was hot because the floor is lava!
Did I hear floor is lava? Ryan, are you okay? Wait! Oh no! Meteor shower! Ah! What should I do? I should hide somewhere. Right there.
I hear Daddy. I think he's in danger. What do I do? Because the floor is lava. Oh, I have an idea. Those pillows are conveniently fireproof, so I can use them. Okay, I need 2 pillows. 1 pillow. 2 pillows. No, that's too far. Oh wait, 1 pillow. Wait. Ooh. What's that? My house is filled with water. What am I gonna do? Wait a minute. There's these conveniently placed turtle shells. Maybe I can use them to walk on the water. Okay. Use this one. And then use this one. And then I'm gonna put these back here. Okay, whoa. Here. Ooh. This over here. Oh no, I can't grab it. Oh no. Oh wait, okay, I got it. Okay, I'm halfway there. Place this over here, and then, oh my God! I almost fell. Okay, grab this. Guys, I think it would have been a better idea if I grabbed more. Okay, go over here. Now grab this, and here. Now what? The floor is lava again? What do I do? Oh, there's an obstacle course. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one more time. Okay, phew, I'm off that. Okay, go on to this. Wow. Whee! Go onto this chair. And then go on to this. Then here. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, can't touch the ground. Oh, I wonder how this car can go on top of lava. I made it out of the lava. Meteors!
Ryan, there's a meteor shower! Watch out!
Yeah, Daddy, there is meteors. Watch out! Hey, whoa, there's a meteor. Whoa, there's another meteor. Get the pillow, not me! How do I stop it? I need to stop it right now. Wait a minute. Is that another emergency button? It might cancel it out. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Guys, I'm safe. I think I'm safe. I'm gonna get to it. A tornado! What do I do? Hide!
Tornado, where? Oh, I think it went away, Ryan. But wait! Snowstorm! It's cold! Let's go!
It's getting really cold. Come to me, Daddy.
This is a really giant storm! Ryan, I'm coming to you! Ryan! Stay under the umbrella.
Daddy, there's an emergency meeting button right there. I think if I press it, all of this will go away.
Emergency meeting button. Well, it doesn't hurt to try. Let's go. Wait, Ryan. Snowstorm is gone. I don't need this umbrella anymore. All right, let's go.
The button, it's right there.
Almost there.
Wait,
Watch out.
Okay, let's hit the button this time before something bad happens.
Hurry, Ryan. Did it work, Ryan?
There's only one way to find out. I think we're safe.
Yay!
It worked. I think everything's back to normal. Yay, we're safe. It worked. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Remember, always stay happy and rise up.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh!
It's an emergency. Oh, ready to dinner.
No,
We gotta find the next emergency button. Bye.
The emergency button doesn't stop anything. It just creates more challenges. See you guys next time. Bye.